Hey, good afternoon. I guess good evening, Nigo. This is Gordon Farley, and I own leadlocal.com, leadlocalllc.com. Going to share a bit of information about how you can grow your repair business there in Inglewood. Um, so it doesn't look like you have a website right now. Maybe you do, but I'm just going to pretend like you don't. If you do, I can do this again with your site and show you how you can improve it. But for now, I'm going to give you a couple quick tips. So here's a couple things I look for when I look for competitors. I look to see who's in the top organic listings. Right now, it's Yelp. Typically, Google likes to have a local business up there, especially one that isn't a chain. So the first one here is RP1 Auto Center. It looks like Open Bay looks to be a chain as they have multiple sites, but this one here, RP1. So that to me is a pretty good sign, um, because we've been known to leapfrog Yelp pretty easily. So it's something that I look for. And the second thing I look for is to see if the map listings reflect any of the organic listings. And in this case, they don't. So to me, it's low-hanging fruit, and it's a great opportunity for you. Now I'm going to show you a little bit about what we do and how we do it, and then we would, obviously do the same thing for you if you were interested in working together. So I'm going to show you a site that we did for a customer in Dayton, Ohio. It's called Smith's Auto Repair. So what we do is we develop the site with two things in mind. First things first, we need to make sure that Google understands what the site is about, and where the service is. So you have to be very obvious that you're an auto repair shop, or maybe a mobile mechanic in Inglewood, California. In this case, we're very clear that we're an auto repair company in Dayton, and we weave a ton of content onto the homepage. 1,000+ words of unique, well-written, authoritative content explaining exactly what they do when and where they do it. Kind of going really deep into the service itself, doing a lot of explaining, just very descriptive content. So that's the main thing. The second thing we do after the content's dialed in, we start developing backlinks, which are essentially endorsements to your site. So let's say if you got a backlink from Napa, that's essentially an endorsement from Napa to your business, saying, this is a reputable shop, and then Google sees that endorsement and says, oh, okay, this shop is pretty solid, and they'll start to move them up the rankings. So what does this work really? How does it really translate into revenue? So we use a search tool. A metric called SEMrush. It's a software. Here's the backlinks. When we talk about backlinks, what I'm talking about. But the most important thing when we talk about like revenue and how your website can make money for you. So people search for the service that you offer. They typically don't search, unless you're a really well-known business, they typically don't search for your business. They're looking for auto repair or mechanic. So that's what we make sure your business can get found for, because this is where all the search volume is. Just in Dayton, which is not a great big city, there's 320, 410, over 600 searches a month just in those top three there. And you can see my customers here, floating between 2 and 6 within the results. So he's generating a lot of traffic just off the internet. And these are brand new customers that, as long as he serves them well, which he typically does, he'll have them for life. And if you do a Google search at auto repair Dayton, Ohio, you're gonna see them on the maps, because we know how to get you on the map. And then also right here at number 3 in the results. So what we do works. It's evergreen. It'll pay off forever. It's an awesome investment, and we can do the same for you. I'd be happy to tell you more and get a bit more information from you, and see if we can find something that works for you. If you would, shoot me a text or an email, or give me a call, and we can chat for 15 minutes and then maybe put something together for you. All right. Hey, thank you. Take care.